Testing the skin. All right. Just come down here and talk.
Test 1.
Test 2.
Test 3.
We should probably get closer. Just
Yeah,
get closer.
Here, like scoot in.
Go ahead and get closer.
Yeah, you'll
There you go.
All right.
Make sure our knees are touching.
I want to feel your scent.
Well, Virginia, see you're hanging out with little boys in spandex.
I like spandex.
Spandex. It's good.
I mean, come on, Regina, you can't be doing that. You're killing it.
Who you call Frieza?
I don't really know what you're talking about. That's terrible.
I'm Kakakari Cake. I am real Super Saiyan legend.
I is real Super Saiyan legend.
My mom said I'm otaku.
I walk around on the internet and they say I'm very Kiwi. What does that mean?
Well, Kyle, what's kiwi?
I don't know. Isn't
I
it
think it has something to do with tails.
Isn't it a bird? Is it kiwi or a fruit? I don't want your...
Is somebody taking a shower?
No, someone's drying their hands. All right, we're really talking way back here. We have to talk back in here. We have to get right in on the auto. Eat the mic. It's like an intro to a porno.
I'm trying to think of a quote.
Who called for a pool boy?
Did somebody order a double meat pizza?
Honey, where's my martini?
Super Pooper Scuba Downland legend. I'm as strong as an axe, and that was this big.
I am a banana.
You're just fucking with me.
Okay, that actually looks really